Alright, we're in.
Shoe butter?
Expert gameplay.
We're so great.
Oh my gosh, I hate this.
Oh no.
Why is this room so hard to control?
Why wouldn't it be hard to control? Let's be real.
Are you at the pool?
I'm at the pool.
Let me clean this up. We hit the office building last.
Correct. I think they have different rooms.
What do you mean?
Like, I joined a minute ago because I was bored, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the bowling alley wasn't there. There was some other room you haven't been to.
Oh, so it's like randomized?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
The jungle gym stays though. The jungle gym stays.
Of course.
Boom. Hey, I was gonna get that. I was gonna get that.
I have
was
it.
gonna get that. I was gonna
It's
get
mine.
that. I was gonna get that.
It's mine.
I even threw my water gun for that. I was gonna get that.
I threw my broom for it. Here we go.
The Ruth cassette tape. No.
Ow! Help! You shoved me into the water.
Good.
Okay, we're not listening to that either.
Why? Throw everything in here, remember?
Yep.
Did we listen to the sound of nothingness?
I don't think so. Here, I'll do it.
Alright.
Is that what we're listening to now?
Yes.
Alright.
I have a better one. I have a way better one.
Oh, okay. Minecraft. And I keep spritzing.
Yeah!
25% clean!
Yeah! Bonk.
Where are you going?
The roof.
You get that roof clean.
Will do. I don't know what else I expected. And close your eyes.
We cleaned everywhere else?
I think so, yeah.
You shut the door on me. Oh wait, never mind. You went through the window. What am I doing?
Yeah.
What if I start from the top and you start at the bottom and we kind of meet in the middle?
Alright. Break every window on the floor.
Yeah. Oh wait, I actually?
Yes.
Oh heck yeah, let's go. Alright, peace
You find a
out.
cassette tape, however, immediately run towards the house.
Huh?
You find a cassette tape, run towards the house and put it in.
I'll just throw it into the street and we can deal with it later.
No, we lose it.
We won't lose it.
We will.
We won't. I'll watch. I'll make sure it lands
Put them by the
correctly.
stairs. Put every cassette tape you have by the stairs.
Ooh, this is a new room. All right. I'm trying so hard.
Suck at it.
His head screamed at me. I lost the Roblox head I had.
Aw. Kind of weird, Sam.
I know. This room's sparkly. The other room isn't sparkly. I don't know what I missed. Can you like come down here? Who hides dirt back here?
Yeah.
Is this window broken? Well, that answered that. Can I unmute? Yay. You're doing this floor, the purple floor, right?
Yeah.
I'll say, because it's pretty wet. Oh,
Oof. Yeah, did you hear that? Oof.
I didn't hear it. You know what I did hear?
What?
I was gonna take a broom.
Can't pause.
I want the mellows.
Oh.
Oh wait, wrong button.
Pause.
Launch. Why do I always throw things towards the parking garage?
Oh. You're gonna have to fight all that. I'm not helping you.
That's fine.
Oh.
What?
My broom got stuck and it fell out the window.
Yeah, let me see. Hat. It's not that far. Or maybe you're just slow.
No.
I think we should each take home a golf club and a golf ball. A golf club each and then a golf ball.
Sparkle?
Huh?
Sparkle.
I'm picking out a golf club I like.
Me too.
How do you break these?
I just threw a golf ball at it.
Oh, look. I did it. You just gotta keep mashing things into it, like.
Yeah. Go.
But it doesn't work sometimes.
That sucks to you, I guess. And we go right there.
Ah! It's not satisfying when it doesn't break. Look at me.
I like throwing things.
Me too, it didn't work. The heck? Which way is our house?
Front of the building.
There we go, this way. That's fine. I missed a spot here. Also right here. See, sometimes the dirt's covered up by the wet. I need you, bro.
I'm working on it.
I think I got it though. Peace.
No.
I have no idea what this room is. I mean, sure is, but like...
Sparkle? No. Here. Oh, it's like in the wall. Oh.
You dropped your broom.
Look at this.
Yeah, I had dirt like that. Did you pick out a golf club you wanted?
I did. Sparkle now? Yeah.
So it was your fault?
It was.
Heh.
This is a science room. Used for sciencey things.
Ooh. Sciencey things?
Yeah. Yo.
Whoa. What'd you throw out?
Nothing, just threw broom at it.
There. Did we get the cassette on the last floor?
No. We'll be back.
I got this floor's too. It's called science. I just threw it.
Right there. Oh, where'd you throw it?
I didn't throw it yet.
Don't throw it. Just walk out the window with me.
How do you break the window?
Walk out the window with me.
This window?
Yep. No, walk. Walk.
It went farther than expected. It's by the tree over there.
Quite why I said walk.
Yeah, so go out, turn turn around.
There it is.
That way. It bounced a bit, my bad. Are you lagging?
No.
Are you on your knees? Why are you on your knees?
Why not?
Stand up. Yo!
Go. I can roll to this. No.
No, that's just gonna be looping.
Yep. Let me break these windows.
You're clearly better at breaking windows. I'm better at throwing things down them.
These are not.
I'm great at throwing things down. What do you mean? Broke it.
Amazing.
Alright, clean up all the dirt, peace.